No, for real. We ordered some waders, and this is gonna be the first time. This is gonna be the first waders we ever bought. I mean, I had one other waders before, and it was like years ago, and it was like one of them cheap, stiff ones that was real heavy. So these waders right here are gonna be pretty much a game changer for us because we never got any waders this nice before. So we're about to unbox them and then let you know what we think about it. We're about to open them and see. I wiped it off. Yeah, it's good that you did it like that. I don't want to cut them. Don't make a hole in our waders now.
Well, guess what?
What?
I got the full set. I kind of
Yes, Sally got the waders and the jacket. Uh-oh. So that's Sally's waders. That's Sally's waders.
What in the world?
Those are boots.
Oh.
They all in one. Remember, we didn't get the fin trail. We got Gator Waders.
Yes, guys, I got the Gator Waders.
I'm hoping that they're gonna fit Sally right. I got the blue ones.
Oh, yours is big. What?
Dog is always eating something off the floor.
Well, I have to try the other so I can put the jacket on.
Let's see how the jacket fits you. I'll open it up. Let me see.
It's big.
You said you wanted it to be a little bit big just in case you want to put a sweater under there.
That's right here. Well, it's pretty good. Hold on. Oh, no, never mind. Look at this. Nice. For some...
It's hard to get your foot in there?
Yeah, a little bit.
I'm feeling like once you put your foot in there, like it's gonna bring you back good. It's gonna fit you.
But this foots are a little bit too big for me.
I thought it had a belt somewhere. Maybe we had to buy that separately.
Do you think? No, it's right here. I feel it.
Put it. This one. How does it feel so far?
Right here, it doesn't feel good.
Well, that's why you have them sucked into your boot.
Well, my jeans, it's not going.
But yeah, you gotta make sure you fit like it's all fitting good.
I mean, I don't know. See, it's...
And this gotta be tighter. I'll put mine on. Your jacket and everything. They didn't have my size in the jacket, so that's why I couldn't get mine in.
That's pretty neat.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Gator Waders. See how big are mine? Damn, look, knock the dog out.
Cuddles? Cut it.
With the socks, it would have been tight. Yep, so far my foot fits in there good. Like it feels like it's got space, but it's not. And my jeans didn't. Yeah, no. That's just like right, like the jeans.
Mm-hmm. Bring that back. Get over here.
The boots are a little heavy. What do you think?
Just like that. Yep.
And I like the pocket.
Mm-hmm.
Mine feels good too.
Yeah, it feels nice.
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. It was between these Gator Waders or Fin Trail, but the Fin Trail was completely out of stock.
For our size.
Yeah, for our size. So we just went with Gator Waders, and maybe in the future we'll get some Fin Trail and try those too. Because I think with the socks that, you know, the waders with the new ones with the socks, and then you gotta get the boots, you know, that goes with that. I think that would be like lighter and better. It's got magnet.
It does? Oh.
Magnet.
Okay.
I mean, I don't think this would be waterproof. Like if the water is actually all the way up here.
Probably this one is waterproof. You have one too?
But I mean, like if the water's just coming down like that, of course it ain't gonna go in. But like if the water is literally like up to there, I mean that's cutting it close. You don't want water coming in here.
You have side pockets?
Nope. The inside one, that's where I would put my phone. It'd be safer in there. And we just need to buy some like Under Armour pants. That way, cause the bottom of my jeans are right here. It don't go in there. Yeah. On Sally, since she's so short, like crumbled up by the legs. Short people problem.
Shut up.
But yeah,
I like it.
I like.
Can't wait to wear them this weekend.
I like the material and everything. I just think the boots are a little bit too heavy.
Heavy and well, my size they kind of big.
I mean, that's how they go though. But well, I am hoping that we could get some Fin Trail gear. I would love to try them because I did wanted the waders with the socks. Look at that. You're gonna be matching when I gotta wear a. Well, mine was still because the rain jacket that I got, it's a flip side. It's got the visible side and then the black side. Well, that was us trying them on and seeing what our first thoughts was about it. So we'll see. Look at Sally. But alright guys, that was the unboxing and our first impressions. And when the next video comes out, when we go ride again to the next ATV park, we'll tell you what we think about us on the four-wheeler and actually putting them to use. Peace.